Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I have a fresh trade-in. This is a 2019 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Bighorn. Let's take a peek. Interior here, just got done driving it. Drives really good. Give you a brief overview of the interior when we'll get more specific. Brakes felt really good. It's got bigger wheels and tires on it, particularly the tires, and I wanted to see how it drove, and road noise was minimum and it didn't pull one way or the other. Overall, really good drive. And power windows, power locks, power folding mirrors. That's great if you're parked this in the garage or really even on the street and parking lots, wherever. Automatic headlamps. Power adjusting foot pedals there, so if you're tall or short you can adjust it to where you need to be. It's got 52,400 miles on us of shooting of this video. No lights or anything on the dash for warning. It does have hands-free connectivity, so you can talk on your phone through this car sound system. Also has cruise control and gearing control here. It is an 8-speed automatic transmission. Shifter here is four-wheel drive as well, and controls for that are there. It's got the 8.4-inch touchscreen radio that does also have Sirius XM capabilities as well as AM and FM. Also, there's Bluetooth connectivity for your cell phone and USB. There's dual climate controls. You can sync them together or run them independently, meaning you can separate the driver from the passenger on the climate. There is, let's see, heated seats here and heated steering wheel. And let's check out, it's got the backup camera on it, which is nice when you're parking. Coming down here, some redundant controls, volume and tuner, and then heating and air conditioning controls, as well as those heated seats and heated steering wheel control. Now down here it does have front and rear parking sensors, so as you're backing up or pulling forward, it's going to warn you as you get close to something, which is a nice safety feature too. If something gets left behind the vehicle, maybe a bicycle or something along those lines. It does have CD player. It does have a spot here for the phone. It holds it in there nice and tight. You can fit 2 to 3 up there depending on how big your phones are. A couple beverage holders. Overall, interior really looks clean. You can see keyless entry with a remote start. The little nooks and crannies, what I always like to check, and really looks good. USB power right there. Coming over here, let's check out the glove compartments. Does still have the factory books in it. I did pull up, this is a local trade, only one owner. Scores literally off the charts. You can see it soars at 96 when it should only store as high as a 95, so it just tells you it's above and beyond the rest of them out there, and never been in an accident or anything like that. It does have power rear window here. So that's nice. And also programmable controls for your garage door. All right, let's check out outside. All right, exterior here. This is a metallic paint. It's got some metallic flake in it. Really shines in the sun really nicely. It's a Bighorn package, so you're going to get the chrome bumper, chrome surround on the grill here as well. You can see your parking sensors in the front. There's a total of 6 up front here. Even go along the side here, which is nice. It does have aftermarket wheels. They look good. They're alloy wheels, painted black. The XD is the brand on them, and they're wrapped in open country all-terrain tires. Plenty of tread on these tires here. Driver's side really looks good. The paint on it. Chrome door handles. Fuel fill on this side. Back to the rear, does have the chrome bumper with integrated sensors there. Dual exhaust here. It's got plug-ins for trailers, whether you're doing 7-pin or 4-pin, and it's got the 2-inch receiver back here. Coming down, it's got the dampened tailgate, which just goes down slowly, which is nice. The bed really looks good. Does show some use, but not a ton of use. Coming to the passenger side, you can really see the sparkle in the paint with the sun on this side. Overall, really clean vehicle. Great price on it too. You can save a ton of money, thousands of dollars with the upgraded wheels and tires. Really good looking truck. So, hope post a link below, current pricing and availability, as well as another link that allows you to secure financing right from home. And lastly, another link, if you have a trade-in, we can give you a value on that. Just punch that in and shoot you back a value. So my name's Mike, and thanks for watching this review.